In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a task in Wrike. When you're working on multiple projects, it's really easy to lose track of what's going on with individual tasks. Following a task in Wrike is a quick way to make sure you're always updated on any changes, comments, or progress related to that specific item. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process and explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why it matters. Let's start inside your Wrike workspace. First, navigate to the project or folder that contains the task you want to keep an eye on. This might be in your My To-Do list, a team project, or any other location where your tasks are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific task you care about, the one you want to receive updates for. Once you've found that task, go ahead and select it. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name. This will open the task details panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see information like the description, assignees, due dates, and comments. This is essentially the home base for everything related to that task. Now, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the task panel. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional actions and settings related to the task. Inside this menu, you'll see several options. Among them, look for the option labeled Follow. Go ahead and click on Follow. Once you do this, you are now following the task. That means Wrike will start notifying you about updates to this task, such as new comments, status changes, or other important modifications, depending on your notification settings. If at any point you decide you no longer need updates, you can come back to the same three-dot menu and you'll usually see the option change to something like Unfollow. Clicking that will stop those notifications for this specific task. That's all there is to it. By selecting the task, opening the three-dot menu and clicking on Follow, you make sure you stay informed without having to constantly check manually. This small habit can make a big difference in staying organized and not missing important changes in your project.